Some of us have started to use Google Drive assignments within Schoology, mostly because it's really simple to use and it creates a nice workflow. Once a child taps on their Google Drive assignment in Schoology, it automatically makes a copy for the child and is shared with you. One of the other big pieces is that you can attach standards to this assignment, and you can score it using either a rubric or the Mastery grading scale. The caveat is that because it is shared with you and it is shared with the child, parents don't have the access to go in and just look at it. So there is an easy workaround that we can do. Here is an example assignment. If I tap in progress, I can see that either the children that have not started it yet or have yet to do it. The submissions is where I'm going to look. I'll notice right away there's this waffle in the right-hand corner. That is the rubric, which we're going to look at in just a second. I'm going to first go to where it says open, and if you click or tap on open depending on your device, here is the Google Doc. I just tap share, advanced, and then I change this from specific people to access to anyone with the link can access. And here it says that they can view it. I'll click save, and then I'll copy the link to share. Then I go back, and you can't see this, but I go back to the tab that is the Schoology tab, and I pop open the rubric, and you could score the rubric. At the bottom, there is a gradebook comment. You can type in or paste in the document. Make sure you click that share comments with your student box, because that means families can see it, and then save it. So families can click on the link. You can use the rubric to score, and when you're done, it shows up in your gradebook.